Thank you for tuning in to today's video, the 2-ingredient peanut butter whip pops. So we're gonna start off with showing you the 2 ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need some peanut butter of choice, whether it be creamy or if you like some texture, the crunchy kind. And then your Cool Whip of choice. Traditional, fat-free, sugar-free. I just so happen to have fat-free Cool Whip today. And I wanna make sure I thank you all for watching this video, and we hope you enjoy this video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. So we're gonna start off by adding 1 cup of your nut butter. Next, you are going to add all of the contents of the 8-ounce Cool Whip of choice. Put it in little by little and make sure it is all combined thoroughly. And this here is how the texture will look. Delicious and decadent. I'm only adding it to 2 of the popsicles. The recipe that I'm giving you fills up 3. So if you want to double that, you're gonna add double the amount, so 2 cups of peanut butter and then 2 tubs of Cool Whip. I'm using a pastry bag. If you have a pastry bag, put it in there without a tip, or you can just get a big Ziploc bag and you can put it in there and just cut the corners because it's easier to fill up that way. You're gonna see that you're gonna have a little bit of space. Don't worry, I will show you next what you can do to fill that space up. You're gonna get a little chopstick or a straw or just the back of a spoon, and you're gonna go in there just to make sure that you fill up those little air holes, and it should look like that. Next, you're going to pop it in the freezer for a minimum of 5 hours. Simply for the garnish, you're gonna wanna get some nuts. I don't happen to have any peanuts, but if you have them, use them. I'm gonna be using some traditional sea salt roasted almonds, and you're going to put them in a zippy bag. You're gonna release all the air, and then very carefully, you're gonna crush them. Big or small, whatever you'd like. Next, again, simply for the garnish, not a necessity for the base of the popsicle, you're gonna get some chocolate chips, any that you'd like, add a little bit of shortening or some coconut oil, pop it in the microwave for 25-second intervals to melt it. And then you're just gonna tilt your bowl slightly so that once the pops are ready, you can't dip them. You can dip them on an angle to make them look really fancy. I'm just dipping them. And after that, you're just gonna wanna garnish it with some crushed nuts of choice immediately because they were frozen and the chocolate will freeze up. Now you can see here is I made 2 different kinds. Cover it slightly with chocolate or cover it completely with chocolate. Whatever you'd like. The result will be delicious, decadent, gooey, chewy, creamy goodness. Combination of peanut butter and chocolate is my absolute favorite, and my daughter really loved it too. As you guys know, if you follow my channel, she's a very picky eater, but she really did love this, as did I. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed.